Well, you might run into a potential problem in gCADPlus when you use the Update Plant Schedule tool. Here's a plant schedule at the bottom of the screen, and it's displayed on this layout. I'll just take the grid off. If we wanted to update that schedule, you'd update because you might be doing something like, I'll pick this sample here, and there are quite a number of them in the drawing. Let's have a look. That's a Courier Pulcella. It's the orange glow. So I'm going to get in there and I'm going to copy some more. So copy. And there were 8 in the schedule before I started bulking the planting out, and we'll unselect all. Now we're in model space. I'll just change my view to white to make it a little easier to see. So there's the new additions of the Courier. There were 8. Let's now update, and remember I'm in model space. So gCADPlus, we can go here, update the schedule, and if we zoom in here, there's the orange glow one. There are now 15 there in that schedule, and if we come over here, the 15 is showing. So we're able to update the schedule provided we do it in model space. However, if we try and update the schedule while we are looking at a layout, and you could refer to this, I guess, as a bug, we can say update the schedule, and the whole schedule disappears, so it doesn't get updated and in fact disappears. So that's a problem we would hope to fix in a later version of gCADPlus, but I guess we didn't expect people to do that, to update a schedule while looking at the schedule. So let's come back in here. So we need to redo the schedule. What I'm going to do is to format text styles. The city blueprint style was a little difficult to see, so we'll change that style to simplex, and we'll OK it. And in fact, just doing that restores the schedule, and if we come back over here, the schedule is in fact restored. So it's sort of a bug, but provided you always do the schedule and update the schedule in this space here. So let's just finish off by jumping in here and putting some more of these in, and more Couriers in wherever we can find a spot for them, and our number, finish, unselect all, update the schedule should jump from 15, and I'm in model space, so I can update the schedule, and the number changes from 15 to 22. So it's working really well, except if you try and update the schedule in this view.